How do I convince my parents and family riba is haram? And they openly take a lot and they say that everyone here does it.
Okay, well, the argument in itself is very easy to demolish. If everything does do it, then, well, everything they cremate themselves. Are you going to be cremated when you die? Everybody cremate them. It's cheaper as well. But you're going to cremate yourself. Okay, everybody now, every person from them, they pierce themselves as well and pierce themselves. So are you going to do that? So every person committing suicide at the moment, you're going to commit suicide? So this argument is very easy to demolish. But you're talking about your family now, your parents as well. You can't argue with them in that way. You have to really remind them of Allah Azza wa Jal. You have to, I know a person whom his father used to put his money in the bank, and that person used to put little stickers, because he was scared of his father, little stickers on the door when he comes out. For example, the general outside door, where it says, Dirhamu riba inda Allahi ashaddu min 36 zinya. That is 1 dirham in riba. Where the person takes it while he knows it's riba. It's worse in the sight of Allah than fornicating 36 times. He put it there. Yeah, his father, he tried to take the label off of his gun, but at least it will what? Remind him, because it's just his hurt. He knows his son has done it, or somebody. So with the reminder, with the dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, okay, inshallah, maybe as well sheikhs, maybe they speak to them, not you, because always the parents, they don't like to take from the children. Oh, you're my child. You're just being cracked from the egg. Come and you teach me.